8 years ago, Superstorm Sandy hit the eastern seaboard of the United States. This flooding destroyed a lot of the infrastructure on the existing 50-plus acre site that houses the South Beach Psychiatric Center. That led to the design and construction of a 232,000 square foot inpatient building.
We were required to raise the site 20 feet in order to raise that above the sea level elevation. Water, sanitary, storm, also the electrical duct bank, which was encased in concrete. All of this infrastructure was placed on piles throughout the 50-plus acre campus.
It really required coordination right from the onset of schematic design, where we had to bring all of our trays in sync to understand the challenge of raising that building. Having an observation desk that provided the best view for the staff to be able to monitor patients at all times, we were able to have a radial solution. Once you do that, obviously you create pinch points at the center. We would place, an invisible sort of red box. We call them no-fly zones that can then be visualized in drawings and in a model. It could be clash coordinated when it's required, so we can then make sure that area is clear all through design. And then as coordination happened with the construction LOD model, the contractor was able to visualize and see that at different stages of that process.
Because the contractors had really upheld their end of the bargain to upkeep the Revit models and as-built information, when it was time to quickly convert the hospital and add around 120 hand wash sinks to the hospital for COVID, it was very easy to locate supply lines and add additional loops and circulating loops that were required for code, because they had upheld their end of the bargain and we had very accurate information in a 3D format.